Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on that to open the main menu. This is where you can access all your Messenger settings and privacy options. From the menu that appears, scroll down and look for the option labeled Settings. Tap on it to continue. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Messenger account, including privacy controls and blocked profiles. Next, within the settings menu, you'll see several options listed. Look for privacy and safety and tap on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage who can contact you, who you've blocked, and other security features that keep your messaging experience safe and controlled. Now, once you're in the privacy and safety section, you'll find an option called blocked profiles. Tap on this to view a complete list of all the people you've previously blocked on Messenger. This is where you can review everyone you've restricted from contacting you and decide if you want to change that status. The app will now display a list of all the profiles you've blocked. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific profile you want to unblock. Once you locate the person's name or profile picture, go ahead and tap on it to open their profile details. After tapping on the profile, you'll be taken to a screen that shows more information about that blocked user. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see an unblock button. Tap on it to proceed with unblocking this person. This action will restore their ability to send you messages and see your activity on Messenger. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Facebook Messenger, and they can now contact you again just like before. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.